Hello and welcome back. I got another typical RV, maybe even a Keystone Fuzion typical fix that I've come up with. Run into this reoccurring issue on the pull down shades that we have back here. That bottom rail comes off, looks like this, and on the end of it there's a plastic cap that goes on there. So here's how I fix it. I take this parachute cord. You can buy this stuff at Walmart or Cabela's, anywhere like that. Hunters use it, a lot of different uses, but it's like 550 cord or something like that. You can even get it on Amazon. What I do is I use a hot glue gun and I just glue it to the bottom of this, and that glue holds exceptionally well on this material. It's got just a little bit of texture to it. On the back side of these is a little plastic strip that the manufacturer of the blinds has stapled on, and it stays there, but it doesn't prevent the handles from pulling off. What will happen is if you grab it on the end instead of in the middle, you'll grab it on the end and all of a sudden it'll start coming off, and then it'll keep coming off. I've got this long window to do and this short window to do, and this window up here has been already done. So I fixed this one quite a while back, and I've never had any issues with it. So I'm going through finally today and getting the rest of these taken care of. So, and now you can see how that cord fills that gap down inside that channel so that the shade itself, being hot glued to it, won't come apart, or it won't pull out. I've done this on several of them already, one in the bedroom, one in the hallway, and it worked well, so I'm doing these now. So that's my fix. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I'll have more fixes coming up.